Today, me and Mommy are making a video with 2 pink shirts.
Woo! We're in short sleeves today. Isn't that crazy? Tennessee is nuts. I want to show you guys what all we're doing, or what all we've done. Let's see here. Here. Okay, we got one big brush pile cut. You can see stumps. We got another brush pile. All these stumps. As you can see, we had trees, I think out past that rock right there. And then we've pushed it back quite a bit. We've got it pushed back a lot up that way. And we got this one big one here. So Elmer's going to sharpen his chainsaw, and we're going to do some more. And I cleaned out the chicken coop. Let's see. Yeah, it's already getting bad again. But they got fresh hay in their nesting boxes. Oh, we got some surprises there. Alright. Check it. 2018 edition wheelbarrow. Elmer got a Lowe's gift card for Christmas, so we put it to good use. I mean, what's a farm without a wheelbarrow? Elmer, what's the best way to count cows? What's the best way to count cows?
I don't know.
With a calculator.
Stop.
What do you call a dog that can't bark? A hush puppy. Hey, where do cows go for lunch? The cafeteria. All right.
What if it was hard?
This is our antique store haul today. We got some carbon steel knives. We follow Farmstead Meatsmith. He teaches everything there is to know about homestead butchery. One of the main things he talks about is having these carbon steel knives because they actually are the only thing that can get truly sharp, even sharper than stainless steel. These will come in handy for all of our butchery in the future, and we can't wait to use them. It's been a long and productive day here, and tomorrow's the last day of our staycation, so we're definitely feeling it today that we're getting tired. So tomorrow is going to be a doozy. I'm going to wrap it up right here, so we'll see you guys next time.